We've been having a great time exploring Ybor City, and one of the things that I love to do while traveling is to use it as a chance to get my holiday shopping done, and I found a great place to make the perfect gift. Just minutes from downtown, Hyde Park's a walkable neighborhood filled with great shops, restaurants, and for something truly unique, we're heading inside the candle pour, where instead of just going in and buying a candle, I get to create one, blending custom scents to make a fragrance that's completely my own.
Hi there, I'm Bobby.
I'm Haley.
Nice
to meet you. Come on in.
Okay, so I've never done this before.
Fantastic.
How does this work?
Welcome in. So
Thank
the
you.
whole process will probably take you about 30 to 45 minutes. I'll be with you the whole time to talk you through everything. But first step, I'll show you in a second over on our scent wall, but these are all of the different scents that we have for you to choose from today.
Okay.
So in just a minute, I'll take you over to the scent wall. You'll kind of smell around, figure out what individual scents you like and might want to use today. While you're over here, this is just exploring all of the individual scents to get an idea of things that you do like.
Okay.
So the wall and the cards are divided into two different sections. This top part is all of our seasonal and holiday specific scents.
Okay.
So that'll start right up here with autumn leaves.
Gotcha.
And then run down this first bookcase right here. The bulk of this card is in alphabetical order running down the rest of the wall. There are over 100 scents. It can be a little overwhelming.
Yeah.
Do not recommend trying to smell every single scent. That is a lot to take in, and your nose can get a little tired. But names are right underneath, so whatever sounds intriguing or something you might like, go ahead and give it a whiff. Find some good scents.
Some good scents. I think it's a mix that might not mix together, but now it's your turn
well,
to tell me.
let's see what we're working with. Okay, no, these are good. These are all kind of under the same umbrella. It's very fresh, little earthy, little fruity. We're doing good.
Literally the smell test. Okay, that's actually not bad together.
Yeah, do you like those? And just to make sure we like what we like, I'm also going to pull you a couple of the other ones that you circled.
All right,
maybe even a little recommendation if you're open to it.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, who'd we get rid of? And then just as a recommendation, I grabbed Retreat. It's kind of soft, kind of subtle, but it is very nice and it adds a nice little like cleanliness to everything. To me, it makes me think of like a coastal beach type resort. Yeah.
Let's turn the other way. Yeah, I like that.
Okay, do you like
what
it?
did we end up leaving out?
We kept Retreat out and we brought Cucumber back in.
Okay.
So do you feel good about these four?
I feel good about those four.
All right, do you want to smell anything else or are you saying yes to the candle?
I'm saying yes to the candle.
Yay. Next step is going to be mixing your concoction. Channel your inner mad scientist and you are good to start mixing and pouring in there.
Okay. This is already open?
Yes, yep, they're already open. And then take that spoon.
Okay.
Gently mix everything all together.
I think.
And then give it a whiff.
What do you think?
Oh yeah, I like that a lot.
Yeah.
That's really, really nice. Do you feel good about it?
I feel good about it.
Okay, do you want to make any other tweaks or you feel good that this is
No, I think
what
that's
we're
good.
doing?
I think
Okay,
it's good.
sounds great. Set that down right there. So now for this next part, you want to think of it a little bit like a shot. You're going to take that jig of oil, get it right up to the edge, and dump it quickly, confidently, and no hesitations. Beautiful. It's almost like you've done this before.
Right.
I think you were lying to me. All right, and then hold this wick up with your left hand and just hold it out of the way. Pick up that spoon that you've been working with and start stirring back and forth all around that wick. You can just set the spoon down and then let go of your wick. I promise it'll be okay. I'm gonna put a nice little hat on top, snip it into place.
There you go.
Now I'm gonna let that sit for about an hour or so. Then I'll clean up the inside of the wax around there.
Got it.
I'll add a front label, I'll add a bottom label.
All right.
But you are now an expert candle maker. How does it feel?
Well, thank you. So much better that I had you as a teacher.
Oh, of course.
Because I don't think I would have been able to put all of these scents together on my own.
You had some good ones though. You had a lot of good options
I mean,
here.
it needed to be edited professionally.
Yeah, but we got there. We had a lot of good ones.
We did. All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you so much.